come here, I guess we'll never know. It's like a kind of torture to have to watch the show.
Hey folks, decided to come out for a little dig today. See if I can do any digging. Still quite a bit of snow up there, and on top of the hill there's quite a bit of snow, but on the south facing side of this bank here it seems to be melted for the most part, and so it might be alright for digging. I want to give it a shot, and maybe I'll find a couple marbles or something along the way, and well, if I find anything good I'll get you back up on. Over and out. Alright folks, check it out. See it there? That is marble number 26 for this year. Nice blue and white one. Okay, put that in my pocket, and I'll get you up on the next find. Hey folks, got down into this hole here, hoping to try to get those rocks out of there, get digging in behind them, but anyways, this here just popped out. An old stirrup. Knocked that piece out tapping it on that rock there, but that's pretty cool still. Right on. Well, let's keep going. Next find is a little Cognac Monnet bottle. It's a screw top, nothing real special. Kind of wish it was a cork top, but anyways, got nice embossing on it. We'll hang on to it. Onward. Hey folks, I think I got what looks to be a big Jordan's wine bottle. Whether it's whole or not, I don't know. Oh, it is. It's cork top. Oh, it's the same as that one I found a few months ago. Oh, nice. It's all together too. Nice amber one. Sweet. That's a nice bottle. I don't know if you remember seeing that other one I found, but cool beans. That's a keeper for sure. Alright, onward. Well, here's an interesting bottle, folks. Looks to be perhaps a little blown perfume bottle. That's pretty cool. We'll hang on to it and get it cleaned up and catch you on the next interesting find. Okay folks, check it out. That would have been a nice emerald green insulator. Try to get the sun through it there, but it's not working. So that's just as green as like a 7-Up bottle. Check it out. Pretty cool. Alright. Now we got I got a bottle showing in here. See if I can get it out its way in here. Right here. Okay, cool. It's whole, but it doesn't look like there's any embossing on it. Let's get out of there. Yeah. There's a nice old cork top, Strapside, but no embossing on it. Alright, on to the next. Well, here's an interesting find, folks. Just come down in on the cave in. I don't think it's real old. It's probably from the 30s or 40s, but check it out. The green screw top. It's all got nubs all over it. Pretty cool. I like that. I don't know what that is inside of it. Chunk of ice maybe. Anyways, I'll keep it. See if I can find anything out about it. Cool bottle. Yeah. Right on. Alright, later. Just popped out this Hiram Walker whiskey Gates bottle, folks, and this one's got the original cap on it. And it's in good condition. It's not real old, 30s or 40s probably, but that's a nice bottle. It's a pint size one. Right on. Okay, I'll keep going. Hello everyone, hope everybody's doing well today. I'm back with a recap here. Let's start with this one over here. This nice green colored one. It's got all these bumps on it, which might indicate some type of poisonous liquid was in it. I'm guessing maybe like a shoe polish or something, because this here was in it. I don't know if it was attached to the cap perhaps, but it had like I don't know what you'd call it. It was some sort of fabric, a long string of it here, but it all fell apart, so I didn't keep it. But anyways, that's that. It's a nice nice bottle. Yeah, screw top. Then we have the Hiram Walker Canadian Club Whiskey Gates bottle. That's a beauty. And that was founded in 1858 rather, and became Canada's top export whiskey. I suspect this bottle's from the 30s or 40s even. It's got the Bakelite lid on it. I got stuck on. There we go. Yep. Nice bottle. Yep. That's the bottom. This beauty of a Jordan's wine bottle. Great pattern on it. This is Jordan down here. And from what I could see online, these were registered in 1932, this bottle design. And the company itself was established in 1920 and bought out by a company known as Bright in 1986. That's a nice bottle. This one here is just a blown Strapside bottle, late 1800s, early 1900s, turn of the century. It's a nice bottle. There would have been a paper label here, you can see. Nice color to it. Got the old Buckley's cough medicine, 1930s or 40s. Buckley's was founded in 1919. You probably recognize their slogan. It tastes awful and it works. Imagine that. Well, there you go. Nice little bottle. Marble number 26 for this year. We got this little blown, perhaps a perfume bottle here. Once again, that's probably like turn of the century. Tiny Cognac Monnet bottle. Got your salamander on the front here. And it's actually embossed up around the thread pattern here. You can't see it there. It's 1932 registered, so somewhere after that. Got these two cobalt blues. This one here is a Wick's Vapo Rub bottle. And this other one doesn't say anything on the bottom. This is a Waterman's Ink. And then I have this shard here, D Breeze, St. John, New Brunswick. St. John is a local city. But I couldn't find any info online about that. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video and the cleanup. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Have a good day, everyone.